welcome to Art by Julie E. If you're just joining us for the first time, I'm Julie E. And what we're working on today is called a proof of concept. I have a plan in my head for something I want to do on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, but I don't want to make any mistakes on it. So what I'm doing are I started out just doing the one little 8 by 8, and I'm not sure if that's the direction I want to go with the swipe I did on this one. So I did another little 8 by 8, which you'll see later on in the video. And yeah, proof of concepts are awesome because you get to try out the different products on something smaller and more of kind of a throwaway, if you will, type substrate than possibly ruining a really good, more expensive substrate. These are just a couple of little 8 by 8 cradle boards that I poured on, and I didn't care for them, so I slapped some gesso on top, and now I am just going over them with the paints that I want to use, the colors that I'm going to use for my 16 by 20 later on down the line, once I know exactly what I'm going to use on it and how I'm going to use it, if that makes sense. And proof of concepts are also great for showing a client what you have in mind for the piece that they're describing. It's just a smaller piece that you can show them to say, this is kind of the direction I was thinking of going. And then they can okay that if that's the direction they want you to go in for their commission piece. So yeah, these are okay, they're fun. Let me know down in the comments if you like seeing these proof of concepts, because when I have to do more, I will go ahead and record those and show them also. This is the school glue and water pouring medium that I'm using with these paints. It's 70% school glue pouring medium, 30% water, mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. I'm using 2 different shades of turquoises and that I kind of created myself with like Amsterdam greenish blue and Pebeo iridescent green blue and Arteza turquoise and Arteza glacier and stuff. And then I think that's just Artist Loft copper. I might change up the copper that I'm going to use for the bigger piece too. That's what's great about these. You get to practice. So this one is, I do a second one because on this one I did not use the school glue cell activator that I normally use. I just used the base coat as a swipe over color, like you would in a normal swipe. You know, you choose a different color and stuff. It doesn't have to be a cell activator per se type mixture. And I like it, but I'm not sure if this is the direction I really want to go for the 16 by 20. And yeah, all of this is double speed. I do slow it down to show you where my stopping point is and kind of show you how it looks and everything, but otherwise the spinning, the painting and everything is all at double speed. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I always answer everybody's questions on anything that I can. And yeah, hopefully you like, share, and subscribe this. This is part 1 of what I am doing. Part 2 will be coming up next week with all the embellishments. Have some sneak peeks of the embellishments too towards the end of this video. So I'm going to put on some music right now and let you enjoy the art, and I will see you at the end.
There of my baby coming home to me. Down the riverside flowing, knowing she's still there. I can't see where she's going, but I hope it's near. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's trying. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding. Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Just don't let go. Don't let go. Daydreams falling like raindrops non-stop. Making plans, all I ever have dreamt of, falling through my hands. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's fighting. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding. Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Just don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Just don't let go.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave hope coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of...
Okay, we're going to take a look at the dry results and some sneak peeks of what will be coming up in next week's video. It will be the embellishments, and yeah, stay tuned, please. We have an exciting special guest this week in our Thursday train. It's Creations by Christy. I will have her link in the chat and down in my description, along with the playlist and the video links to everyone else in the train, which was Dave's DRH Creations and Just Janice. All right, if you do like these videos, please do the UB2B thingies, the likey, subscribies, and sharies. They help us out so much, and they are free to all of you. All right, till next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!